Okay, this is Milo. Trying to get his reindeer costume off, but he doesn't like it. He doesn't like mommy putting his thing on him. He's a good boy. Ow! He's a good boy, though. Reindeer! Cookie? Turn off. Thank you. Wait, he's so cute, though. Looking at me innocently. Hi, Milo. Hi, Milo. Hi, Milo. Put him over here, though. Put him on the couch. Because there's light on the couch.
Oh, turn it off.
I can't. There's my mom trying to put it on. And there's Milo acting all sad. Now he's grabbing onto me because he wants the thing off. He's usually not nice to me, right? He's a good boy, though. He stands on me. And it... Well, I hope you liked the video.